Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to change password in Roblox. First updated the Roblox apps now. Go to your Play Store. Search Roblox apps. Already updated apps. Tap on play. Click one more. Scroll down. Tap on setting. Select account information. Scroll down. Tap on password icon. Your information. Writing here. Your current password. Your new password. Same. Now tap updated. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thanks for watching video.